This is one of the very first wreaths that I made when I started my wreath making business. It is older and the bow is way too big and really smushed, not great quality ribbon, and it needs a little bit of rounding out. So let's take this from to wow. This is proof that this is a really old wreath. Look, I used floral wire to make this bow. It's old. Now you can see that this wreath is a little sparse, especially around the perimeter. Our sight line all the way around, it's a little boxy. So I'm gonna add some more greenery just to round out the shape of the design. Now, this is a gorgeous wreath. I updated the bow, added more greenery, zhuzhed some things up, and this is perfect for the PTO teacher luncheon auction at my daughter's middle school that I can't wait to donate to. Make sure that you are supporting your local teachers, especially teachers that have made a difference in your children's lives.